Boomers offer plenty of rewards daily. It is one of the essential ways to enhance our strength in Dark War survival quickly. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today's video will guide you through the Boomer Rally. Fundamental. Rallying differs from attacking and requires assistance from Alliance members to defeat a much stronger target. Therefore, we can only start rallying after joining an alliance. Rallying a Boomer consumes 20 energy points and provides guaranteed rewards, which include gear, speed-ups, coins, food, wood, stone, and electricity. It also offers potential rewards, such as the Prime Recruitment Ticket and Purple Fragments. We must launch at least 5 rallies to complete the first and second daily tasks from Attack on Titan. To complete all tasks, we need to launch or join 30 rallies. Instead of manually launching 30 rallies, we can use the Auto Rally feature, which allows our formations to join our members' rallies automatically. Completing all daily tasks will grant us final rewards. While the rewards from auto rallies are less than those from manually launched rallies, they do not consume energy. So they are free, though. We can receive auto rally rewards up to 50 times a day. However, the auto rally feature has a timer. We need to re-enable it once it expires. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Troop capacity. Why can some member rallies only carry 8,000 troops while others have 36,000 or more? It is because some of them didn't enhance their rally troop capacity. Trooper capacity is a crucial factor in a rally. We can increase the rally troop capacity by upgrading the Alliance Plaza. With a higher capacity, more members can join your rally, forming a much stronger rally. Thus, you can defeat a much more challenging Boomer or player with the rally. For example, after upgrading our Alliance Plaza to level 23, we can carry up to 39,000 troops per rally. It allows us to win a level 13 Boomer rally with our primary formation. Troop level. Besides troop capacity, troop level is also a crucial factor in the rally. We must gradually promote low-level troops to the highest level. If you have plenty of low-level troops, such as level 1, don't enable the auto rally feature. Otherwise, your low-level troops will be sent automatically to join another person's rally. It could fail the rally and disappoint all participants. Instead, manually join the rally to ensure you send the highest level troops. If you hold the R4 rank, consider establishing a rule regarding auto rallying to improve the success rate in Boomer rallies. Tips. First, staying in your alliance's hive or close to your members will allow you to join auto rallies much more quickly. Second, don't let the CP warning prevent you from rallying against the highest level Boomer you can find. Remember, you're not fighting the Boomer alone, so your CP isn't the main factor in winning the rally. Optimize your Alliance Plaza to make rallying easier. Third, avoid launching a rally during alliance events like a zombie siege. If you do, you risk losing the event because fewer troops are available, and some alliances may kick you for this. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.